My name is Jules Chevalier. I live in Western Mass. My husband and I have 3 four-legged kids. I have a corgi and 2 cats. Probably my biggest financial failure is getting into massive credit card debt twice. I felt embarrassed by it. I wouldn't talk about it to anybody. I wouldn't even ask people for advice because I felt so shamed by it. I felt like I should know better not to get into this situation. You know, I didn't learn this in school. Like, sometimes they teach some of how to balance a checkbook, but that doesn't really get you very far. I realized I need to try to understand how this works. I really tried to self-educate as much as I could. I didn't really know where I could go to learn some of this, and I didn't even know what questions to start searching the internet with. I didn't know what the terms are I should look for. And that's where I first got introduced to the concept of a budget. Budgeting was always something I kind of felt allergic to. Now, I think having a budget and knowing where we're spending our money is actually really empowering for us to know how we can make progress towards our financial goals. What you're spending on also is what makes you happy. So for me, I really like video games and I spend money on that. And my husband collects Star Wars action figures, and that's a part of our monthly budget. My current relationship with money is really good. We know together what our financial goals are, and we're working towards those, making progress. Other than our house and our car, we don't have any debt. Paid off my student loans last year, which is super exciting. What I would say to anyone who's in credit card debt is it's okay. You are gonna get through this. You don't really know how you're gonna get through it just now, but you can. It's totally possible.